Hello guys, today I'll be doing a review on ActiveCampaign Automations. I'll be going through its strengths and weaknesses and watch to the end to know the ideal users. ActiveCampaign is a widely recognized leader in the marketing automation industry, offering exceptionally powerful and flexible automation capabilities. Its visual workflow builder is a core strength, allowing users to create complex multi-step customer journeys with a drag and drop interface. Users can combine numerous triggers such as website visits, email opens, and etc. Actions such as update CRM, add and remove tags, and conditional logic to build highly personalized and sophisticated campaigns. A key advantage is the sheer breadth of automation recipes or templates that cater to various industries and use cases, from abandoned cart recovery and lead nurturing to sales pipeline management. The ability the ability to perform A/B testing within automation paths is also a significant differentiator, allowing continuous optimization. Furthermore, its deep integration with a vast ecosystem of over 900 apps and its built-in CRM ensures that automations can span across marketing and sales functions seamlessly. However, the very power and flexibility of ActiveCampaign's automations contribute to its main drawback, a steep learning curve. While the visual builder is intuitive, building truly complex flows requires time and understanding. For beginners, it can be overwhelming. Some users also report that certain advanced features are locked behind higher pricing tiers. Overall, active campaigns automation are ideal for businesses that require granular control, extensive personalization, and the ability to automate complex customer life cycles across multiple channels. It's built for marketers who want to optimize their funnels and are willing to invest the time to master its capabilities. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.